Hi, my name is Jillian. I am 58 years old. I am a makeup artist and a breast cancer survivor. We go through life and we smile, we squint, we cry, we laugh. I mean, we have expression. I certainly don't mind aging at all, but I always want my skin to reflect on the outside how good that I actually do feel on the inside. A lot more lines are coming to the surface, deeper wrinkles are forming. That's why I am loving Clinique Smart Clinical Repair Wrinkle Correcting Serum, Eye Cream, and Cream. You get these derm level results, but it's also very, very gentle. First, we have Smart Clinical Repair Wrinkle Correcting Serum. It attacks the signs of aging from 3 different levels. First, it repairs deeper lines by boosting collagen with Clinique's proprietary CL1870 peptide complex, which is a powerhouse blend of peptides and skin soothers. Second, it resurfaces with a next-generation retinoid that helps to smooth skin's texture and minimize the look of wrinkles. Third, it replumps to smooth out fine lines with hyaluronic acid, which helps my skin stay supple and bouncy. It's lightweight, silky, it glides and absorbs into the skin so beautifully. I am definitely seeing changes in my skin. Overall, my skin is a lot drier than it used to be. So I want something that repairs, fights back against those lines and wrinkles and dehydration. And I found it. I have been loving Smart Clinical Repair Wrinkle Correcting Cream. It's going to help to nourish and strengthen skin instantly. In fact, there is a 192% improvement in moisturization. It has ingredients like soybean seed extract and hyaluronic acid. It comes in 2 different formulas. I use the lightweight cream for all skin types. It features the same CL1870 peptide complex that's in the serum, which is going to boost natural collagen to strengthen skin support structure. It is incredible. It has made my skin look smoother, more youthful, more rejuvenated looking. Smart Clinical Repair Wrinkle Correcting Cream definitely attacks the issues with results that you see immediately and long term. The skin around your eyes gives it all away. I smile, I laugh a lot, and this area gets a very big workout. I wanted something powerful. Clinique Smart Clinical Repair Wrinkle Correcting Eye Cream does not disappoint. The whip texture is beautiful and so comforting to that delicate skin. It helps to boost natural collagen to minimize the look of lines, so you see softer lines immediately and less crepey skin. Clinique Smart Clinical Repair Wrinkle Correcting System. It has been a game changer for my skin.